Alright guys, we're going to do a coolant flush on my 2007 Yamaha V Star 1300. This should apply to most V Stars. What you're going to do is you can take this cover off. I don't think I'm going to need to. You need a 12 millimeter. And you're going to put it on that bad boy right there and take it off. Where is my 12? Yep, so I'm going to take my 12. Take that off and drain it out. All right, the coolant is going to be down up in here. To get in there, you have to take off the seat. Hopefully you know how to take off the seat. You just twist that, and then this will come right off. And you're going to take those two bolts off. That's 12, so it's the same size. Go ahead and remove those. Okay, this little wire here, you have to disconnect this because it's gonna keep it from moving back. Okay, once you get that off, you have to wiggle it pretty hard, but it'll come out because it's on there snug. And then this is the cap you take off. And then that's, as you can see, that's releasing more that I did that. But you get the point, you take that off. All right, and then you want to put the drain plug back on down there and use a mixture of vinegar and water. I happen to have a bottle of alcohol and mix it with half distilled vinegar and then half water. I'm gonna put that in there, run it for a little bit, drain it, and then put just regular water in there to get the vinegar out, then put the coolant in there. All right, and now we're going to feed it tequila. I'm just kidding. Vinegar with water. I figured to get this on tape. This was might look pretty funny, you know. All right, so it almost took all of it. As you can see, that was just about the right size. So now I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to run it for a little bit, and I'm going to drain it, then do the water, and then the coolant. All right, now that we added the vinegar, flushed it, and then added distilled water and flushed it, tightened the cap back down there, and I'm going with this from AutoZone. Extended life pre-diluted, mixes with any color. I think we should be good to go with that. It's a good price at AutoZone, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill her up. All right, I put the coolant in there, put the cap back on, secure the tank. Remember your two bolts here. Reconnect this thing here, and you are done. I didn't drain the overflow tank, but I wasn't worried about it. Please like and subscribe.